Our life is what our thoughts make it. Do you know that your thoughts are very powerful? Whatever you hold in your mind on a consistent basis is exactly what you will experience in your life. I would like to tell you a very famous story about two monks. The two monks were returning to the monastery in the evening. It had rained and there were puddles of water on the roadside. At one place, a very beautiful young woman was standing. She was unable to walk across because of the puddle of water. The elder of the two monks went up. He lifted her and left her on the other side of the road. And then he continued his way to the monastery. In the evening, the younger monk came to the elder monk and said, "Sir, as monks, we cannot touch a woman." The elder monk answered, "Yes, brother." Then the younger monk again asks, "But sir, then how is that you've lifted that woman on the roadside?" The elder monk smiled at him and told him, "I left her on the other side of the road, but, my dear, you are still carrying her." So we get a message that only limit your thinking to a specific moment that you need it. And many a time we question ourselves, like, did I do right? Could I have done better? What will be the result of it? Oh, I did not prepare well enough for today's exam. I don't know if I replied to his or her message the right way. In fact, these are such familiar thoughts in our mind without our awareness. What do these thoughts sound like? How do they make you feel? Preoccupied? Guilty? Burdened? So to stop worry, we first need to be aware of how often we carry the burden of our past behaviors, even when we know that we are done doing it. So when you are burdening yourself like this, gently help the burden lift off. With a lot of love, remind yourself that you did what genuinely occurred to you. And that is it. If consequences will come, you will face them as genuinely, as sincerely as you can. And then the act of thinking is done. It's over. So stop overthinking and believe in yourself. That's it. Thank you.